Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mavin Methods. In this month's edition, we'll be going very quickly through a change that we've made and how that benefits you as the user. We're excited to announce that we have KMZ file format support. So for those of you who don't know what a KMZ is, it's essentially just the zipped version of a KML. And for those of you who don't know what a KML is, a KML is the standard file format for Google Earth. So if you're not someone who's working with more complex programs such as ArcGIS or QGIS or a whole host of other programs, and you're just making simple polygons in Google Earth, then you're able to take those, export them from Google Earth, and import them into Mavin. And to be clear, Google Earth isn't necessarily going to always be a very basic program. I mean, there's certainly complex things you can do on it. But if you are looking for something that's very easy to use and that allows you to import data in large quantities to Mavin, that's a good place to start. So not only do we have KMZ support, but we have multi-part KMZ support. So what that means is instead of just being able to upload one polygon or one point or one line, you can upload a whole folder from Google Earth with all of the different polygons that are inside it. And with that in mind, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly show you. We won't make a map or anything here, but I'm going to quickly show you how you would go about that. So we would go to My Data Layers and Folders, upload a layer, and I've already gone ahead and put a layer on my desktop for this little demonstration, and it has many different plots of land in China. We'll just call it China Test Multi-Parts. I'm going to delete this. And you'll see that it's recognized. This little green check means that the system recognizes what it is. It is actually a KMZ, as you'll see here, but that's still categorized as a KML. They're more or less interchangeable in terms of using them, but there are key distinctions that affect things in the backend. So just a good fact to know. You'll see that the file size is not yet on here because we haven't actually uploaded it. So now that we have the green arrow, or green check rather, to go, we'll click upload. And we successfully uploaded the layer. So from here you could add different descriptors if you wanted, choose the attributes that are important to you to show up when you hover, and also shift the opacity. A quick note on this. This has actually proven very useful and something I meant to mention in our last Mavin methods, for imagery. If you are wanting to have your imagery transparent, this is the spot to do it. So quick tangent there. So you go next, you categorize it. We do not have stylizing support yet for KML or KMZs. We hope to one day have that. Although in fairness, you can do a lot of that already in Google Earth, so you should be able to get most of what you want done before it even makes its way to the Mavin system. From there, you would just click Save, and you'll see it pop up here. And you'll see that each of these little plots, even though they're separate, is previewed in this mini map, you could call it, that just previews that individual layer. And this is what you would see on your map. So this is just one of the many layers within it, with many polygons as well, that you could add to a prospective project. So that's it. It's pretty much the same as doing anything else. It's just it's good to remember that you can look at it beforehand, especially if points, polygons, or lines might be far from each other in terms of space. And this gives you the chance to look at the extent before you even go ahead and make a map with it. So that's it. We look forward to hearing from you next month, I hope you look forward to hearing from me next month, and we're excited to tell you about new features that we have planned when we get to that point. Thanks.